Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where you're trying to go through and you're updating your iPhone and you're wondering if you can go through and basically restart your iPhone while it's going through and updating or resetting. Now, the first thing I'd recommend telling you is absolutely not. I would not recommend any single person to go through and try updating their iPhone as your iPhone is going through and if it's or try restarting your iPhone if your iPhone is basically updating or factory resetting or anything like that. The main reason for this is because whenever your iPhone is going through and updating or anything like that, it's basically going through and trying to recompile everything inside of it. And the problem that you might run into is that if you're doing that, your device might just randomly go through and you might just run into random issues where the phone might be bricked, it might not restart properly. Some of your stuff might be deleted, some of it might not be. But if you're already getting into like this type of panel, your phone is pretty much good, like done for. There's not really too much you can do. Just let it restart, let it reset, and try coming back and trying to fix it later. That is by far one of the first things I'd recommend doing because that might actually end up being the better way for you to go and recover some of your data. You might have had an iCloud backup, something like that. If you're not trying to recover any of your data, then there's no point in even restarting it. Just let it restart, let it just, update or let it do whatever, and then go through and then try seeing if you can recover it or downgrade it or whatever. But if your phone is already restarting, don't start clicking the buttons to try to restart your phone. That is not a good idea. Just let it fully restart, let it fully update, and then go through and try to see if you can fix it after. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.